Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. We are still holding above the $185 level, which means we are looking for higher prices, even though there is no strong confirmation that we've started the next larger rally to the upside. You see why? Because the initial rally here from the February low, from the 6th of February low, was only in 3 waves. And actually, if we just go back a few days before that, let's rewind a little bit. We see that the rally after the small mini crash here, well, actually it was quite a substantial crash. Shouldn't call that a mini crash. That was substantial on Monday last week, a week ago. The rally was also just in 3 waves. So we're dealing with corrective rallies, which is acceptable even in a bullish scenario. Because if you're familiar with Elliott wave, then you know that 5-wave patterns are normally what we're watching for. The 5-wave movements are needed to confirm bullish structures. Let's say 5 waves up are needed to confirm bullish structures. If the rally remains a 3-wave pattern, it is just not clearly bullish. Doesn't mean it's necessarily bearish, but it at least is not clearly bullish. So, and we are dealing with 3-wave corrective rallies. So we have to still be on the side of caution here. We're not out of the woods yet, but we know that due to the chart context, the price is likely in some kind of a 5th wave. And this is likely part of a diagonal pattern. So the structures are not going to be easy to read. And it will take a while until we can confirm movements, because we need more evidence whenever we're dealing with corrective structures. So, however, I did say to you, $185 is for me the main pivot that helps us distinguish between, let's say, short-term bearish momentum and a drop to $162 next, which is the next support below, in a still unfolding larger degree wave 4. This would be the bearish alternative. Or, well, between that short-term bearish momentum and short-term bullish momentum, in a scenario in which we are going higher more directly, okay? And I'm watching for that because we're above support, so because we haven't broken below that $185 level, I'm leaning higher short-term, but it's not high confidence. The way this could unfold is in the yellow count, ABC in wave 1, so we're dealing with a diagonal pattern. So if the move to the upside is indeed unfolding, we're dealing with some kind of a diagonal structure. And if you know Elliott wave a little bit, then you know that diagonal structures, to track them and to trade them, it can be 10 times more difficult than tracking and trading an impulse. So anyway, we have 3 waves in 1, 3 waves in 2, A, B, C, 3 waves in 3, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. This is what I'm tracking here at the moment for Solana. Important is now that we're holding, well, above $185, but obviously we have the previous swing lows here around 188. Would even be better to hold this one. And then if we really dive into the micro patterns, and that was the last update I gave you, that the price could have started a B-wave pullback of sorts, either in the white count or the yellow count. It doesn't even matter the difference at the moment in the short term. And it is possible that this B-wave indeed bottomed. But again, we need a break above $207.50, the last swing high, to confirm that further. Then the next objective for the bulls will be a break above this range around $218 to $220. So that should give you all the levels. Essentially, without a clear impulsive move, probabilities are fairly balanced, but because we're still holding above support and we seem to be printing higher highs and higher lows, I'm watching for higher, but we have to keep an open mind regarding the microstructure at the moment. But overall, the situation hasn't changed in the last few days. Still giving the bullish count from here a chance. But bear in mind, when we look at the larger time frame, which we're not going to do in this video, but overall we talk about it very often, we are in the late stages of a rally, so the macro risk is quite high. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in additional updates, also make sure that you follow us on our MCO Global channel. That's going to be the main channel here of the MCO communities. And there will be, different content, different types of content, interviews, podcasts. We will talk about how quantum computing could affect the crypto sector, how AI could affect the crypto sector, geopolitical developments, a lot of stuff around crypto, but also other markets. And check it out if you're interested. So you'll find the link in the description. It's, of course, free. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.